There are a number of differences between an ordinary felony trial and a capital murder trial. In a felony trial, like a capital murder trial, the similarity is that a jury is asked to determine whether or not an individual is guilty of the crime that they're charged with. The differences begin in the punishment phase as well. In the punishment phase of a regular felony case, a jury is given a range of punishment. It can include anywhere from probation all the way up to as much as life in prison. What's different about that in a capital murder case is that the jury is given questions, and the way in which those questions are answered determines whether or not an individual receives a life sentence or a death sentence. And very simply put, the two most basic questions are, number one, whether an individual would constitute a future danger, and number two, is there any reason worthy of sparing their life? All right, so in a nutshell, those are the main differences. The approach as a defense attorney to those cases are vastly different. We would attack not only the criminal investigation, but should a jury find a client guilty of capital murder, we would want to be prepared to prove every single mitigating circumstance, their childhood, the kind of circumstances that they were raised around, to convince and prove to a jury that the only verdict is a life sentence.